Hi, this is Hirok Das. In this series, we will discuss about the engineering services previous year's question, and this question is from electronics device in the year 1999. Okay, the question is the transconductance GM of JFET is equal to. Okay, they ask GM of a JFET. Now, let's do it. We know that GM, that means transconductance of JFET, is equal to GM0 1 minus VGS by VP, right? Here GM is, we know, that is transconductance. GM0 is transconductance when VGS, that means gate source voltage, equal to 0, right? And VGS is equal to gate source voltage and VP, that is equal to pinch off voltage, right? Equal to pinch off voltage. Now we know that also GM, that means the transconductance when gate voltage is 0, gate source voltage is 0, equal to minus 2 IDSS by VP. Okay, we know that VP equal to pinch off voltage and IDSS equal to sorted gate drain current. Okay, now what is sorted gate drain current? That is, if this is a MOSFET or FET, suppose this is a FET, if gate is connected with source, this is gate, this is source and drain. Now the drain current, if gate is connected with source, now drain current ID is equal to, is called, drain current ID is called sorted drain current, IDSS. Okay, now we also know this JFET's current ID equal to IDSS into 1 minus VGS by VP square. Okay, this is the drain current equation of JFET. Now from this equation, 1 minus VGS by VP square equal to ID by IDSS. Okay, now 1 minus VGS by VP equal to root over ID by IDSS. Okay, right? So this value is come out 1 minus VGS by VP equal to root over ID by IDSS. Okay, now we put this value in the transconductance equation, that means this equation. We again write this equation, GM equal to GM0 1 minus VGS by VP. Okay, now we know that GM equal to, we already write that GM equal to 1 minus 2 IDSS by VP. So we write that value, minus 2 IDSS by VP, right? And also this is the 1 minus VGS by VP value, so it's equal to root over ID by IDSS. Okay, now we'll write this value inside this bracket, inside this root over, so it will be minus 2 by VP into root over ID into IDSS square by IDSS. Okay, if we write it inside this root over, so it will be square. Okay, now we this IDSS will be cancelled out here. We cancel out this IDSS and square 1. So we can write 2 by Vp root over ID into IDSS. Okay, so now we take this mod value of Vp. So this negative sign is for negative pinch of voltage. So if we take mod value of Vp, it will be plus 2 by mod value of Vp root over ID into IDSS. Okay, so this is the value of transconductance of JFET. 2 by Vp root over ID by IDSS. Okay, this whole IDSS. Okay, IDSS. Now if you go through the option B will be the right answer. Okay, option B will be the right answer. 2 by Vp root over IDSS by IDS. Okay, so option B will be the right answer. Okay, thank you.